Hello, this is Noah with Two Extreme Waterscapes, and today we are going to do a pond cleaning. Here's our pond. Still has a net on it. There's some fish in here, and we will, I'll set you guys up, and you guys could watch the process. Water dechlor. Neutralizer. But so we're gonna take the net off.
So handsome, oh, you have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your stardust, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this, and no one makes me feel like.
So next we're going to get our pump set up. Because there's fish in the pond, we're using a closed bottom pump. So we don't accidentally suck up any fishies. There we go. And just like that. And since we got plenty of hose, I'm just going to run around the deck to the other side to the drain. Get another hose and roll it out like that. Connect it up here like this. And we're out. Our hose to the drain. Then we're going to take our handy dandy pump cord and run it over here. It looks like we might not have any power out here. Nope, no power there. Alright, we're going to try another plug. Alright, we're going to shut our tank of water off to our tank here. Has plenty of water for the fishies. And we're still on the hunt for power. Alright, well, good news. We found power. So we found power. That's a good thing. Now what we're gonna try and do here. So we got our aerator. And what an aerator does is that keeps, people think that it keeps oxygen in the water, puts air in the water, which it doesn't. Its whole purpose is to keep water movement, and as water moves, it puts naturally, when it comes up to the surface, it naturally puts air in the water. And that's your puzzle. Okay. I'll drop those in there like that. Alright. So now since we found power, let's get our stuff running. Alright, our aerator is running. Now we're just going to get our extension cord out. Like that. Now we should have power. And voila, we got pumps. We're pumping water. Alright. So, while that's draining the pond, we're going to get the rest of our equipment back here and set up. And then we can get our fish out of the pond. There's our pressure washer. Here's our muck tub and our shop vac. And I'm gonna go get my boots on. Alright. Everything's draining quite nicely. Then we got quite a few fish in here. So far so good. Alright, so we got the tank ready, pressure washer back here, shop vac back here, muck tub. Alright, and when we're drained, bring you guys back. Alright guys, welcome back. I got the pond done, drained. Got all the fish out. There was, sorry I forgot to set the camera up before all that. But here's, without all the water in it. We're going to get our shop vac set up and get all the leaves out of the bottom of it. And get ready to pressure wash. We got about 1, 2, 3, 4, got 5 goldfish in there from there. Alright, I'll get set up and be back in a minute. Alright. So we're going to get our up tub over there. And we're going to get our shop vac all set up here. Plugged in there. Alright. we go. The majority of it, we're going to do what I like to call pre-rinse. Where we just take the hose and wash everything down to the bottom, all the muck, the residual waste, like the leaves and stuff, so we can pressure wash and not splatter a bunch of stuff everywhere. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get our pressure washer set up.
So handsome, oh, you have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your stardust, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this. And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire, and no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it better. How I try to sleep, but you're deep in my mind. Got a hold of me. When I'm awake, I'm all blind. You and your magic, like infinite power. God knows I try to resist, but you're pulling me closer. Oh, I gotta stay away, but you won't let me. No one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. And no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it
I'll show you guys what it looks like after we pressure wash it. And then, gonna sit here and, alright, we're back full. Fish are in the pond. Pump was tested. Unfortunately, we have no power on the pond right now. So the homeowner's gonna have to figure that one out, but everything's nice and clean and fish are happy. See you guys on the next one.